on the window pane. Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain. No big plans, no place we have to be. Just this quiet moment, you and me. And they can chase the parties and the neon glow, 'cause there's a secret magic only we can know. 'Cause darling, this is where the real life is found, without a single word or a single sound. I try to write a poem, but the ink runs thin, so I just breathe it in, yeah, just like this. The morning coffee, just like this. Your sleepy smile, just like this. The worn out sweater, just like this. It can't get better, just like this. The silent comfort, just like this. A future promise.